Here I have ZTE Blade V7 Lite, and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to choose settings. Let's choose the sound and notification, it's under device tab. Then let's tap on Do Not Disturb, and as you can see here you can turn on Do Not Disturb. So you have to choose either you would like to use total silence, priority only, or for example alarms only. In my case it could be alarms only. And let's decide that you would like to keep it on until you turn it off, or you can just choose one of the period of times. Let me turn it on until I keep it off. And here you can also choose the priority only allows, so you can customize the priority mode. For example, you can handle with reminders, events, repeat callers. You can choose calls and messages from favorite contacts, or for example from your customized contacts. Let's go back. You can also choose some automatic rules. For example, you can switch on automatically Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, or add some other rule. So let's go back, and now you may use your device in a normal mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.